Hey, it's Robert here from empoweredlife.tv. I hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world today. And in today's video, I'm asking the question, how does the subconscious mind work? Well, here's the thing. Your subconscious mind is actually 95% of who you really are. It's where you have an innate understanding, if you like, about who you are, what you're all about, and your purpose in life. But an awful lot of that gets lost as we respond to other people's agenda, external stimuli. It starts to kind of reprogram who we are. But it's really important that you look at the subconscious mind, the subconscious part of who you are, and start to address that, understand it, address it, and reprogram that to support everything you want to show up in your external physical reality, rather than making the mistake that most of us make, and that's to go out there and try and create change in our physical world by using conscious, logical thinking. That ain't going to work, because that is where you create all of the challenges and the problems that you face in life. So let's go back to the subconscious mind. What are we talking about here? Well, really, it's a massive storehouse of memory and beliefs, and it stores emotions about everything and anything you can think of. But here's the thing. You can change what's in your subconscious. You can change who you really are on the inside to support what you really and truly want from life. But first you need to find out what that is. So what I tend to suggest to people is to start the daily practice of meditations, affirmations, visualizations, but particularly meditation, going into a place where you're seeking silence or as much quiet as you can get and really reconnect to yourself. See, the key here is to really get to know yourself on an inner level again. Who you were when you came into this world, who you were before society and the external world got a grip of you and changed you according to its plan for you. What I'm suggesting is that you truly can take back the power in your life if you go within, understand who you are, reconnect with your purpose, and then respond to your own agenda in pursuit of that purpose. I hope that makes sense. So really the three main tools that I always say people need to employ when they're doing this is, as I say, meditation, affirmations, and visualizations. Now let's jump to visualization. What's tremendously powerful about visualization is that we tend to think in pictures, most of us anyway, and pictures are tremendously powerful because they stir up emotion. Now, emotion is the catalyst when it comes to manifesting or changing anything in your world, anything you want to show up. If you want to create it, then you need to have a clear picture of what it is and some really powerful emotion attached to that picture. Because once you attach powerful emotion to something, it is really only a matter of time before it shows up in your physical reality. You see, the 3-step formula, I mention it in pretty much every single one of my videos, is be, do, have. What we're doing is we're working on the be part of that formula. You have to become more in order to do more, in order to have more, and to be able to share more with other people. So this is the be more. This is the first necessary step on the road to everything that you want for yourself in your world, in your life. You need to go within and understand your subconscious. Have you ever really tried hard consciously to convince yourself that you're going to do something and then it just doesn't happen? Well, that's because you're out of alignment on the logical conscious level. You're out of alignment with who you truly are on a subconscious level. And in a battle of 95% versus 5%, which is going to win? That's why it's so important that everything that you're thinking on the logical level, your 5%, right, is aligned with everything going on in the 95%. And I talk a lot about how to achieve that in a lot of my other videos, and I maybe pop 1 or 2 suggestions underneath this video or to the side for you to go take a look at. You can reprogram your subconscious so that the thoughts on the conscious level correspond with it. You see, the thoughts on the conscious level are only firing off from your beliefs, and you cannot control your thoughts. You can't physically sit there and go through approximately, on average, 60,000 thoughts a day and wheedle out the ones you don't want to be thinking and cast them aside. It's an impossibility, and you'll burn out really quickly trying to do that. The thoughts come from the beliefs. You may have one core belief about something that fires off thousands of thoughts in response to this belief. Is it easier for you to adopt an approach of controlling or modifying the belief, or going out there and try to catch all those thousands of thoughts and change them on the conscious level? I hope I'm not losing you here. I hope that what I'm doing is helping you to understand that your focus needs to be within, not externally. You need to go within. You need to work on your belief systems. And if you change the beliefs you have about things, the labels you attach, you'll change how you feel. You'll change, in essence, the emotions that you have about things. And these feelings and these emotions are what fires off the thoughts into your external world. Now, just think for a moment, what if the thoughts you were thinking on a conscious logical level corresponded entirely with who you are, what you're all about, your passion, your purpose, etc., etc. You become an unstoppable force. You're congruent, not incongruent. You're going with the flow, not swimming upstream. Can you see how incredibly powerful that can be, and why? By focusing on the inside, changing your identity, which is effectively how you see yourself, what you believe about you, how that can be tremendously powerful when it comes to manifesting more success, more happiness, more well-being. Can you see that? Just do me a favor as I bring this video to a close. I want to really ask you to take this stuff on board and don't just think, oh, well, that took care of 10 minutes. That was fairly entertaining. I'll just go off and do this, or I'll do that, and waste it. Don't waste it. Take this stuff and give it a go. Give it a go. It will change your life, and it will impact the lives of the people around you that love you so much in a very, very positive way too, because they'll see you being the best version of you. And you'll be very quickly achieving things in your life and enjoying levels of happiness that you've previously not enjoyed to that degree, just by applying this stuff. Connect with your passion, your purpose, align with who you are, get into flow, and then play full out. Nothing can stop you. Hope you enjoyed the video. I love making them for you. If you have enjoyed the video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm here every week, so keep coming back, and do comment as well. I love to get your comments, and I read all of the comments, and I do answer the comments too. So please leave your comments, and if you love all things personal development and spiritual alignment, then get across to empoweredlife.tv. That's empoweredlife.tv, and join the family over there. Be lovely to get to know you better. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.